Hello, my name is Colin, and I am from Leading Edge Training Solutions, and today we will be doing a tutorial for Zoom Breakout Rooms. The first thing we'll cover is adding Zoom Breakout Rooms prior to the start of your meeting. To do so, simply navigate towards zoom.us and enter your email and password associated with your Zoom account. Once you do that, it'll bring you to a landing page that is similar to the one that you see on screen. Once logged into your Zoom account, navigate towards the Meetings tab. The Meetings tab is where you'll find all of your upcoming Zoom events that you've scheduled. For the purposes of today, I have created a breakout room tutorial. What you'll want to do is just jump over to Edit. Once we're in the Edit area, you'll see all your different optionality for your Zoom attendees. For breakout rooms, you'll have to scroll all the way down to where it says Options and select Show. You're going to want to make sure that Breakout Room Pre-Assign is selected, and you'll see that it brings up the dialog box to create rooms. Once you open that, you can see quickly here that you can create up to 100 breakout rooms and assign up to a total of 1,000 participants. Now, this is something that varies depending on your level of account with Zoom. To create rooms, simply hit the plus sign, and for today, I'm going to create 3 of those rooms. This is also where you can rename. So for example, I will name this Room 1 Test 1. As you can see, it does save your settings there once you click away from it. This is also where you can add attendees. Now, the only caveat here is you must know the Zoom user's email associated with that Zoom account. So in this box here, you will simply enter their Zoom email associated with their Zoom account to automatically populate them into your meeting when the breakout rooms are opened. The next thing we'll cover is Zoom Breakout Rooms in the app itself. Once you are in your Zoom meeting room as the host, you will see some different functionality towards the bottom of your Zoom screen. Please click the breakout room icon to bring up your mission control for the breakout room sessions. As you can see, we did have our renaming holdover from the back end when we edited that, as well as our additional 2 rooms that we will be using today. In the bottom left corner, you will see a settings icon that brings up all your different settings for the participants in the Zoom breakout rooms. Allow participants to choose room, allow participants to return to the main session at any time, automatically move all assigned participants into breakouts, automatically move all selected participants in breakout rooms to main session, auto close breakout rooms after 30 minutes. You can actually change that as well to a different time that more fits your agenda, as well as countdown after closing breakout room. That gives folks an additional 30 seconds, let's say, in this particular setting, to finish up their thoughts before being brought back into the main room. Now we can add our participants to the breakout rooms and open them up. As you can see, next to our breakout room names, Room 1-Test 1, you'll see the word Assign. Simply click Assign and select the attendee that you would like to be in that breakout. For the purposes of today, I'll put Guest 1 in Room 1 and I'll put Guest 2 in Room 2. I'm going to now open them up by clicking the blue icon in the bottom right, Open All Rooms. As you can see, both of our guests have now made it into their desired breakout rooms. If there's a scenario in which you need to move a guest around, or maybe a guest is in the incorrect room, simply highlight their name, and in the bottom, off to the right, you'll see Move To, and select the new room that you'd like them to be in. As you can see, our guest has jumped from Room 1 to Room 3. Zoom has also created the functionality to plan your next breakout session. As you see in the bottom left corner, I'm going to click Plan Next Breakout Session, and it's going to bring up another Zoom dialog box. From here, you can edit and select however many breakout rooms that you'd like. You can also choose to assign them automatically, assign them manually, or let participants choose the room. Assign automatically would randomize the folks in the participants list. Assign manually is similar to how we did it in our first example. And let participants choose room, again, is useful for situations in which you have breakout room topics that the participants will be able to join, which topic interests them the most. I'm going to go ahead and just click Assign manually, and I'm going to make it 5 breakout rooms this time, just so you can see a difference. Once I click Next, that does not open up those next session breakout rooms, As you can see, our previous session is still currently active. It does, however, let us know that you have an upcoming session planned here as a notification in your main mission control breakout room icon. Now that I've already planned my next session, what I'm going to do is close all rooms, and you'll see it transition over from the previous setup to our new setup that we've already planned. As you can see, it automatically has taken over, and now we are able to access our next session planning. Thank you for watching our breakout room tutorial. We hope the information in this video helped, and please look out for future tutorials to come. Thank you.